Okay, hello everyone. How are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer once again with another review. And today I bring you Salamander on the Commodore 64. So a little bit of shoot 'em up here. A little bit of loading screen here. Let's just speed it up. So shoot 'em up is a genre I'm not familiar with. I have never been good at it. So here we are. Salamander. So I think this is from late 80s, 88 or something. I have never played the original arcade game ever, so I cannot compare it to anything. Or the Nintendo version. I have never tried it either. Or Life Force I think it's called in some countries. Whoop. So I collected my first power up here. So I got a little companion with me. That's always useful. It's very nice, cool 8-bit music in the background. Can I squeeze through here? Yeah. Nice graphics as well. Little bit dark, but I think that's is charming actually. Little bit moody graphics. It's very appealing. I lost a life there. But this video will probably be about see me die a lot, because I suck at shoot 'em ups. Like I have said already. Sorry for repeating myself, but I have a short memory sometimes. So I'm very impressed by the game so far. So more power-ups here. Can we squeeze through here? Yes. Come on, open up yourself. There you go. Yeah, very nice dramatic music here. Can we squeeze through this shit here? Come on. No, how was I supposed to squeeze through there? It was so narrow. I am down to my last life now, I think. Come on, I need more power-ups. Oof, that was... Whoa! Ah! Game over. I did a save state so I don't have to go through all this. So you see 4. Yeah, back here again. I should try it again here. It is very challenging actually, this game. It needs a lot of practice, I think, to master this game. Yeah, I must say I have been a little bit intrigued by this genre recently. Don't know exactly why this happened, but I have been a little bit curious to learn more about some games or this genre. But usually I don't like games when it's very stressful, and shoot 'em up is probably that genre that is most stressful. Oops. I want more power-ups. Can I have more power-ups please? There already? Ah, yeah, now we're talking. I need firepower to squeeze through that wall where I died. Okay, have to take it a little bit easy here. Fuck! squeeze through here. Ooh! That was close. This part of the game is, how do I squeeze through here? I need a lot of firepower. Come on, let me through. Yes, I did it. Well, I think I'm down to my last life now, if I'm not mistaken. Can we go through here? Shoot down that arm first. Let's take this road here. And here I died last time, I think. Oops. Stay away from that. Come on! Let's try to squeeze through here. Yes, I made it. Shit. Let's squeeze through here. Come on. No! That was not fair. Fuck's sake. Should try once again. Once again. Alright. Come on. Yeah, come on, give it to me. Yeah. Now I have some kind of shield here. Can we be very helpful? More power-ups. Thank you. So I can position myself like this with my companions here. That's awesome. Okay, we'll skip that. Oh, come on. Okay, more power-ups. Now we're talking. There you go. This shield is very helpful actually. Cool. Let's take this road here. I am protected. No! What the hell? Did I lose my shield? What happened? Come on, come on, come on. Squeeze through there. Squeeze through there. No! Ah! I think I'm down to my last life here. Is it game over again? Yeah, it's game over. Yeah, I didn't manage the first level. It's very challenging game, but I think it might be achievable if you give it a go, train, memorize the enemy patterns and everything. So I will definitely I will for sure come back to this game. I think it's very, very good. Very nice music, cool graphics. Yeah, it's a good game all over. I will rate it 8 out of 10. I have not seen much of the game, but but just looking at this first level, I think it looks very, very nice. So 8 out of 10 for Salamander on the Commodore 64. I recommend it. Have a good one, everyone. Take care. Goodbye.